Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 iOS, ISO files or Windows 10 USB boot drive for home use. So what you need to do is once you're in google.com, you want to type in download Windows 10 ISO and then hit enter. So it takes you to this Microsoft.com software download Windows 10. You want to go ahead and click on it. So Microsoft provide you a tool how to create an ISO file or Windows 10 USB boot file. It's called the installation media. Create Windows 10 installation media. So what you need to do is you want to click on the download now. Show folder. And as you can see here, it's downloaded an exe file called Media Creation Tools. What you need to do is double click on it. Go ahead and agrees to license terms. Click accept. So you get two options here. What do you want to do? It says upgrade this PC now, or you can create a installation media or USB flash DVD or even ISO file for another PC. So we're going to click on the second options. Click next. So there's language, additions, architecture is x64. So you want to make sure you uncheck this box. And you can choose the language as well, whatever the language you want to choose. Windows 10, there's x64, and that's x32, and it's also both. If you want to download both, you can choose both. I'm going to stick with x64. Click next. So here you can create a USB flash, or you can put it on an ISO file. I'm going to put it on an ISO file. Click next. It wants the name of the files. I'm going to call this Windows 10 x64 ISO. Click on save. So the download, it can take about 10-15 minutes. It's all depend on uh, your network speed. If you download it from home, it all depends on your internet service provider speed. So we'll pause the recording and then we'll come back. All right, look like the ISO has been created and we are finished. You can burn the ISO to a DVD in order for you to boot it up from the DVD-ROM drive. So I'm going to build a Windows 10 machine using this ISO. Let's do that. All right, so I got my VM created, and if you look at the settings here, I'm going to boot from the DVD, move up, and I'm going to browse to the ISO file, which is this one here I just created. So click apply, and it's going to boot from this ISO file. You want to make sure you hit any key to boot from the CD. All right, window installation screen. You want to make sure the language and everything else is correct. Click next, and then click on install now. The product key, if you have the product key, you want to go ahead and enter the product key. And if you don't have it, you can use the trial version, which is you can click on I don't have the product key, and you can enter that later. So here are all the different editions for Windows that we just downloaded. There's a home editions, a home N, there's home single language, and also there's education and professionals. So decide which license you have, and if you have home edition, you want to make sure you choose home edition, and then click next. That should install Windows 10 for you. That's all I have of how to download Windows 10 for home PC. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.